So I picked the flowers and I picked this one and I put it in a shallow bowl with a little bit of water. And then I picked this one too. Oh my god, how beautiful. And then I feel like they belong on their own for their own beauty to be displayed. So I just picked this one. This one will bloom because it was nice and soft. When it's soft, you know it's gonna bloom. These are tree peonies. Gorgeous babies. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now we're gonna find little spots in the house to put it. So when I see them, I'm reminded of the beautiful world that we're still living.